So clean aviation is very much about technology, it's very much about innovation, but in fact we are also in people business. And that's why we launched the High Five Awards in order to find those trailblazers and to award them in order to be multiplicators for our message and our endeavor to make climate neutral aviation a reality.
The High Five Award, it's the first time we have now the first 5 ambassadors that really are the face that demonstrate the commitment of the aviation sector to decarbonize and to make sure that we as European population, we will no longer feel guilty when we take an airplane because the aircrafts will in the end be climate neutral and will be there to transport people sustainably and safely.